Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaked renders of the Google Pixel 9a, which confirm a radical overhaul in the phone's design that promises to redefine what you expect from an affordable mid-range smartphone. Because the Pixel 9a has been shown off in all its glory ahead of its suspected mid-March launch, and these leaked images, which appear to be official marketing material shared by Evan Blass on X, reinforce previous leaks by revealing that the new Pixel 9a will receive a massive visual transformation, including a redesigned back panel with nearly flush camera bump that deviates from protruding design seen on previous models like the Pixel 9 and Pixel 8a, while also sporting noticeably chunkier bezels that give a more robust, premium feel. The leaked renders also confirm that the Pixel 9a will come in 4 striking color options: black, off-white coral, and what appears to be a lilac, offering consumers a wider array of choices to match their personal style. And while the device retains a flat back and flat side rails reminiscent of the Pixel 9, the new design with almost flush camera bump is particularly noteworthy, as many smartphone enthusiasts have long been requesting the return of devices with flat backs, even if it means accepting a slightly thicker overall design to accommodate the new camera hardware. And in fact, there is strong speculation that the Pixel 9a will diverge in a relatively small footprint of the Pixel 8a, becoming slightly thicker to provide extra room for its upgraded camera system, which, despite retaining a similar 2-camera setup as the Pixel 8a with the lenses arranged in the same order, now benefits from this redesigned configuration that promises improved performance and aesthetics. Although the exact impact of the camera bump's new design on the overall device thickness remains unclear, early indications suggest that while the Pixel 9a may be slightly thicker than its predecessor, the trade-off could be well worth it for the enhanced imaging capabilities and sleek appearance it delivers. And with a rumored launch date around March 19th, 2025, the wait to see these improvements in action is not long, as Google appears determined to set a new standard in mid-range smartphone design by combining state-of-the-art camera technology with bold aesthetic choices. As we piece together these rumors, it becomes evident that the Pixel 9a is positioned to challenge expectations by offering premium features at a competitive price point. And for those who have been waiting for a device that marries advanced imaging technology with a modern, refined design, the upcoming Pixel 9a could be the breakthrough product that redefines affordable Android smartphones. And while details on full specifications and performance benchmarks are still emerging, these leaked renders and marketing images provide a tantalizing glimpse of what's to come, highlighting a design that not only improves on the visual appeal of previous Pixel models, but also addresses long-standing user requests for a more discreet camera bump and a wider selection of color options. As always, these details should be taken with a grain of salt until the official announcement, yet they undoubtedly point towards a significant evolution in Google's design philosophy. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive exploration of the latest leaks for the Google Pixel 9a. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into what could be a game-changing update for affordable smartphones, please subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech news and exclusive reviews. This is TechVerse, signing off.